Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork watercress soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of pork, which can be either lean pork or pork ribs for extra flavor. Make sure to have 2 fresh bunches of watercress, thoroughly washed. For the liquid base, prepare 8 cups of water or a good quality chicken broth. Don't forget 3 slices of fresh ginger and 2 dried red dates to enhance the soup's aroma and taste. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. Begin by blanching your pork. Place it in boiling water for about 5 minutes. This helps remove any impurities and ensures a clear broth. After blanching, rinse the pork thoroughly under cold running water. Next, prepare your watercress by cutting it into manageable 3-inch segments. Finally, slice your fresh ginger and remember to pit the dried red dates before adding them to the soup. It's time to start cooking our delicious soup. Place the blanched pork, ginger slices, and pitted red dates into a large pot. Pour in the 8 cups of water or chicken broth. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for at least 60 minutes. Remember to occasionally skim off any foam that rises to the surface to keep your broth clear and appealing. We're almost there. After the pork has simmered for an hour, it's time to add the star vegetable. Carefully place all the prepared watercress into the pot with the simmering soup. Continue to cook for another 10 minutes or until the watercress is tender but still vibrant green. Finally, season your soup with a pinch of salt to taste, adjusting as needed. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and enjoy your comforting, homemade pork watercress soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.